In this video, I'm going to teach you on the Chat4 data tutorial. You can head over first to your Chrome web store and search for Chat4 data. It's an AI web scraping extension. Click onto this Add to Chrome, and once you have done that, click onto this Add extension. Now this should be able to load in order to install this particular application or this particular extension into your browser. Once it's done installing, you can see it right here and it's been added. What you can do next is you can head over to a new tab right here and then proceed to the website that you would like to scrape. For example, I have in here this website. Let's proceed to scrap this by clicking onto this extension icon and clicking on your chat for data option. Once you have done that, you will be prompted to actually sign in. So click on this login option and proceed to login. Then after that, you should be able to use it to scrap directly from your current web page as well as extracting data and also products from that web page as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.